make a draw for the competition trucks for your starting orders. And today the convoy will be in front will be the official trucks. There's us, the competition officials, Tango A, B, and C with X-Men A.
Next stop will be the Predator Zone, where the real jungle adventure awaits. This is already a detour from the original route, as the pre-event monsoon rains have already washed away and flooded the tracks. This is Plan B, where the going will shorter but tougher and more adventurous. With a team resembling a small army of 4x4s, the organizer thought that they would be able to break through the awesome obstacles to the next rendezvous. For the first-timers, insect repellent is compulsory. But for the others, life goes on as usual. Argentina, Chile and Paraguay are the first countries from South America to send their teams and vehicles across the Pacific Ocean to Malaysia. While they may lack in the experience, they have plenty of passion to keep on going. Teamwork in getting through is the key here. The log bridges built are not only for the event, but also for the use of the indigenous people. So it's more than an exercise in teamwork. From here onwards, they have to make sure that everything works. Fitting the right tire for the job is a golden rule that must be obeyed. Facing the Predator is next.
A shark's skin is naturally hydrodynamic to cut through water. By learning from nature, the Germans have created the bionic tire, Continental, for optimum performance and protection in all driving conditions. Continental, tires engineered in Germany. A cat's paw expands on contact with the ground for better grip. By learning from nature, the Germans have created the bionic tire, Continental, for optimum performance and protection in all driving conditions. Continental, tires engineered in Germany.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Meanwhile, the competition continues at the Predator Zone. This river special stage can be tricky. In the Cymax RainForest Challenge, the teams must pass through both the transport and the competition stages for them to clinch the awards. Driving across a rocky riverbed is not as easy as it may seem. But with the correct tire pressure and maneuvering skills, there's no problem. Like this team from the home state of Perak.
Go on top! Go!
This is the third attempt by Italians Mauro and Lorenzo in the event. Last year, this red Jeep made a spectacular flip in the river, which made news in all 4x4 publications from Europe to Asia. Will they repeat the famous flip? No, not this time around. They will be as steady as a rock, they said, and so they did it with no margin for error.
Very good. Thanks.
The night turned into day. At campsites, it's time to rest those tired bones and muscles for another day of action. This Young Guns team is also the champion of Poland's Orlin Cup. This is their first time entry. However, their adaptation to a jungle event, ability to read the ground conditions well, and their readiness to face the law of the jungle pulls them through with good scores. With the added advantage of their driving capability, this has been an excellent debut for the Young Guns, a team to watch out for.
On my countdown, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Then you go. No wheel spin all the way. Okay? 3, 2, 1, go!
Another first-timer team comes from neighboring Indonesia. Even though all three Indonesian vehicles are well prepared, there's no guarantee against a breakdown. Trouble for this team is just ahead. During this critical time, the electrical system failed, resulting in sparks flying all over. Overloaded wiring system, therefore, keeps this contender out of the race in this section. The next contender comes from Hong Kong. This team aims to finish the event and conserve his vehicle. And so, it's a slow and steady here, using every approach carefully. Hong Kong teams have always been present in the event since 1997, the year the event was launched.